Hey, it's Lisa with An Appetizing Life, and today I'm making a quick turkey chili. To get started, I'm going to prep a few things first. Whew, strong onions. Let's get cooking on the stove. So I'm using a stainless pot, but you can also use a Dutch oven. Add the oil, onion, green bell pepper. I want to cook this enough just to soften it. Add in the ground turkey, a little salt, a little pepper, just to start layering the flavors. I'm adding in my garlic now so it doesn't burn. If I had put it in before, it would have burned. So I want to get the turkey meat all brown and crumbly. So now I'm going to add in diced fire roasted tomatoes. Now these are from a can, and I love these because you don't have to put all the work in and still get that smoky flavor. A little chicken broth, tomato paste, ground cumin, chili powder, a little more salt, a little more pepper. If you want to add a little heat, a little cayenne pepper. Give that a stir. And red kidney beans, which I've drained and rinsed. Stir it all together. Then I'm going to bring this to a boil, lower it to a simmer, and cover it and cook it for 30 minutes. Okay, this is looking good. I think I'm done. A nice quick bowl of chili. Now you can add all sorts of fixings with this. You could add sour cream or some shredded cheese. I'm going to add a little bit of green onion. A little cornbread, and all I need is a spoon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell so you know anytime I release a new video. And if you want to know more about An Appetizing Life and get this recipe, head on over to anappetizinglife.com. I can't talk anymore. I gotta dive in. See you guys.